Alright, what's going on everybody? I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. So today, I had quite a few people asking me to hear the car. So today we're going to do a sound clip of the exhaust. So as for the exhaust goes, it goes inch and 7/8 Corsa long tube headers to a Corsa X Pipe to a lethal off-road over axle pipes to a Corsa Xtreme quad tip. So let's get into it. I also forgot to mention I do have a Vortex supercharger, so the sound could vary from car to car, so keep that in mind.
I'm in love with your friend. We be doing dirt, you hide the end. I'm finna stand tall in it. I'm all in it. You be on my back like a dog. I'm finna stand tall.